All right, so we built the old doghouse here. This was a pretty tricky thing to build, but it's actually pretty cool the way we built it. Tilts up. You got complete access of the motor. I think that's pretty sweet. We built a toolbox back there. We built these side boxes here. We're just gonna line these with a rubber trim of some sort. Yeah, we lined the entire doghouse cover in kill mat, sound deadening material. Should work pretty good. We also built this little guard box over that little ECM under there, so that if a guy's throwing your paddle or whatever back in there, we're not gonna smash the ECM and the wiring and stuff up. Should be pretty sweet. So down in here, there you go, you can see that little 12-volt heater, and these are the heat ducts. They run underneath the gunnel. There you can see the heat ducts underneath there, and one hose comes up to these little vents off the windshield. Both of them have it. That one just got tape over it so we don't get junk in the vents. If you go under here, you can see we actually got vents under here that you can pop open, and you can turn them to blow heat on your feet all over. It's a pretty cool feature, and I think that is gonna be the ticket. Also got these double levers in here. That one will be probably trim, and this is your forward and reverse bucket. Got a finger throttle on there. So we got, old Minijet's got these opening windshield, these walk-through doors. Actually, you can pull the door off and remove it. That's another really cool feature of these doors. Pretty spiffy. The way we built this doghouse is you'll be able to use it like a third seat even. If you had a third dude, you could totally sit right there and go for a wild ride. Actually quite a bit of room to sit in any of these seats. And these seats here right now are slid all the way back. Once you're in driving position, you're slid quite a bit more forward, and you'll have actually pretty good room to move around in it. I think it's gonna be awesome. Should be a wild little boat. I can't wait to take this thing for a rip once the ice comes off the water. So next on the list, I guess, is to put in flooring. We just got this hunk of plywood in here just so we got a place to walk and whatnot, but we're gonna cover the entire floor in plywood and then probably put like a hydro turf type of idea on that. And I believe we're gonna put a hydro turf on the bow, probably down the gunnels, and on top of the doghouse, I think, and probably on the swim deck. So that pretty much sums up the old jet boat build. We're pretty well done, and we're pretty well water ready now. So the next video you're gonna see is us backing her into the water, into the river, and taking her for a test run, and just general goofing around, having a good time with it. So if you guys are enjoying this wide variety of content I'm putting out, go ahead, subscribe, share, like, hit the bell to be notified, give me a thumbs up. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @Fabbin_adventures. Go ahead and look in the description below for a link to my store where you can pick up some hoodies and shirts and help support the channel a little bit. So that about sums this video up. So we'll catch you next week on Fabbin Adventures. Let's get this bad boy out of the shop.